Hello, how nice to see you. I am Katie the Explorer. I live in what I believe is the most beautiful country in the world, the land of fjords, mountains, ice, midnight sun and northern lights. Yes, you guessed it right, Norway. And this is Cami, my tiny and beautiful camper van. I'm a nurse, and my favorite way to re-energize or relax is being out in nature and exploring new places with my camper van. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my van life here in Norway. And if you have seen some of my previous videos, welcome back. Getting the van ready for a trip. Super happy I have a small bathroom in my tiny camper van. Another road trip is on, and it's never wrong to enjoy an ice cream on the road. Heading back to the eastern part of Norway again, because there is still one thing that needs to be fixed in the van. Before fixing, I need some lunch. Maybe you remember that after I changed the camping battery, we also figured out that the battery charger needs changing, and today it's time to get it up and running. Finally, the power is back in my camper van. All the components work again, and the solar panels can once again charge the battery. Now, time to enjoy van life! What I enjoy most about van life is that it brings me closer to nature. And it's always fun to visit some places along the road. Now, time to visit a farm called Vestre Knollen gård. Don't worry, the animals have plenty of space to explore in this farm. They also have a cozy shop. I have a thing for cups, so it was hard to leave the store without anything. Now, time for a coffee! We tried out the cinnamon buns in a very cozy cafe called Fru Blom, and I think it's one of the best buns I have ever tasted. Next stop, visiting the mill Sandbekk Mølle again. We did enjoy a simple meal with sausages. We had a nice cup of hot chocolate and tea. I prefer a camper van that has a back door like this that I can sit under. They have a little self-service store with some nice treats. The mill is located in the midst of beautiful nature. One of my friends stayed in another camper van. It was pretty chilly, so I turned the diesel heater on. It's quite noisy when it's getting started. But it does do wonders. Falling asleep listening to the rain was quite cozy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.